Hey, everybody. I hope everybody's doing fine. Hope everybody's going to be enjoying the festivities. Just to let you know, guys, on the 24th at 9 a.m., Kim and I will be doing a Christmas Eve special. Just Kim and I are going to be on the panel. So come on and join in on the chat and get some updates, see what's going on. And going to wish you all the best. And whoever can't make it, well, I'm sorry, but we'll see you on the next time. And like I said, Kim and I, 9 a.m. Friday morning, we will be on the 24th, Christmas Eve.
And Roger's promising me a happy meal out of the deal.
Yeah, that's if he gets up early.
Hey,
okay, everybody.
Don't push it.
Okay, so we'll see you all on the 24th at 9 a.m. in the morning on Christmas Eve. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.